Well, hello friends. Today I'm going to review a studio headset from Logitech with the model number is H111, and I bought it from the Staples store and the price is 20 Canadian dollars. Yes, you heard me right. It's 20 Canadian dollars. It is one of the cheapest headset that you can find across some of the stores, and I'm going to unpack it and then I'm going to review its performance and I'm going to share all its features with you. So if you turn it around, it seems to be of a decent size. It has a stereo sound and noise cancelling kind of a foam attached to it. It also has a microphone, which is kind of one of the plus feature, and it also has a rotating microphone. So in a nutshell, like it looks quite decent to me when you compare the price with the product. I'm going to unpack and attach to my computer and see how it performs, and then I'll probably share another clip down the line. Now I have unboxed this my headset. So the one of the striking feature here is that the wire itself is around 2 meter long, which is one of the very positive trait of this headset. I'm very surprised, pleasantly surprised to have this long wire here. I was not expecting, and it also has a kind of adjustable headband, and obviously this also moves it is kind of rotating here. So more or less, it's kind of a very great deal for $20. And I also recorded a couple of videos and my sound using this headband and my microphone. It seems to be fairly good quality. And again, I'm stressing out it's worth only $20, so it's kind of a good shot. Even if it survives for next 6 months or max 1 year, I think this is a good bet to buy it. So I hope you like my video. So please do like and subscribe and continue watching. Thank you.